Aisha, frankly, if you ask me, the narrative is that Fed has declared a war on inflation, and they've said that the number one enemy, in a sense, for the US Fed now is suddenly inflation, something which you did not expect that Fed would change their trajectory and their guidance so soon when they were, in a sense, reasonably confident of the transitory nature of inflation. So if Fed is so hawkish, then why are markets not panicking? And I think you can attribute that to the fact that Fed has very smartly also given a sense of the timeline. What will be the quantum of rate hike? It would be what would be the speed and size of tapering. So markets, in a sense, have had time to adjust, and the Fed will give time to adjust further. They've not come up with very open-ended statements. They've given what could be called as a very predefined timeline, which in a sense will give time for markets to adjust. And I think that's the right thing to do, because whether we may like it or we may not like it, it is the low liquidity regime which in a sense has been a large driving factor for asset price inflation. Now think about tapering. Is tapering something which markets are not prepared for? The answer to that is no. FIs already have been selling. There is a reversal which has happened. So you pretty much know that how the curve would move, how the dot plot would move. It's not going to be 2, it's going to be 3 hikes, and you put everything together, you're giving market a reasonable chance to adjust and to prepare for a rate hike and a scenario where liquidity is going to be going away.